Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Moringa noodles using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of Moringa powder, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 2 large eggs and about 1/4 cup of water. Make sure everything is at room temperature for optimal dough consistency. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, then create a well in the middle. Add the eggs and water into the well, slowly incorporating the dry mixture until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and wonderfully elastic. Next, we'll prepare the noodles for cutting. Divide your dough into 2 equal portions. This makes rolling much simpler. Roll each portion very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 inch thick, using a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Then, cut the rolled dough into your preferred noodle shapes, such as classic fettuccine or spaghetti. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious Moringa noodles. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Carefully add your fresh noodles and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are perfectly al dente. Serve them immediately with your favorite sauce or in a flavorful stir-fry. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.